3. Example number 3, we have joint variation in action. For us to do that, we have the area of a rectangle varies jointly as its length and width. And we want to find the equation. Once again, equation ulit ang hahanapin natin of the joint variation. If the given area is 60 square feet and the length would be 15 feet and the width would be 4 feet. Okay? So, isulat lang muna natin dito yung ating observation ng area is varies jointly. Jointly is, again, area is varies jointly as length and width. Okay, ito yung length, ito yung width. So we can say that the formula A is equal to K times length times width. Okay? So the first part is to find the K. For us to find the K, we all know that the given are already here. So the first area or the area of this given rectangle is 60 square feet. So we can change the area as 60 equals K. We can write K here. And this is the length, which is 15. The length is 15 feet. And the width, that is 4 feet. Okay? So, multiplying these numbers, 15 times 4, that is 60. You have 60K equals 60. And then dividing both sides by 60, leaving us K equals 60 divided 60, that is 1. So what is our K here? The K is equal to 1. Then we want to use, once again, this particular equation, itong equation na to, as to change the K. This time, papalitan ko na yung K ng 1 times length times width. In simplifying these things, magkakaroon tayo ng area equals length times width. Because 1 times anything, okay, that is equal to length times width pa rin. Okay? So, this is true. The formula for the rectangle is length times width. Okay? And yun lang yung ginawa natin. Hinanap natin yung K para ma-prove natin na ang formula or the equation of the joint variation of rectangle is length times width. Okay. So, there you go. Where are we? So, example number 3 na tayo. After that, try to find the equation naman ng isang parallelogram with this particular equation. First is to find the K muna, no? Meron naman na tayo ditong mga given for you to find the equation or the formula representation of a given parallelogram. Okay? So, next is we have